Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to trade futures on Binance US. First, ensure your Binance US account is fully verified, as this is a crucial step for all trading. You'll need to complete identity verification to access futures trading. Once verified, deposit funds into your account. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for robust security, protecting your assets and personal information. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell an asset at a set price on a future date. On Binance US, you can use leverage, which means you can control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. It's important to understand the margin requirements for each trade. This helps you manage risk and avoid potential liquidation of your positions if the market moves against you. To place a trade, navigate to the futures trading interface on Binance US. Select the specific futures contract you wish to trade. You'll then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific entry price. Carefully define your leverage and the size of your position. Always double-check your order details before confirming to ensure accuracy. Effective risk management is vital when trading futures. Always set stop-loss orders to automatically close your position if the price moves beyond a certain point, limiting potential losses. Continuously monitor your open trades and stay informed about market movements. It's crucial to avoid over-leveraging, as this can significantly amplify both gains and losses. Trade responsibly to protect your capital.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.